Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the EXO GearWarrior cargo basket for the EXO hitch system from Yakima. The EXO GearWarrior attaches directly to Yakima's EXO SwingBase or EXO TopShelf. The cargo basket measures 60 inches in length, 23 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in height. Some assembly of the GearWarrior is required prior to use. To begin setting it up, locate the arms on either side of the EXO SwingBase or the EXO TopShelf and fully loosen both speed knobs. Then insert the mounting plate into each arm and fully tighten down the speed knobs to secure them. Use your key to lock up both the speed knobs. This will disengage the mechanism within the knob that allows you to loosen them. With both mounting plates installed, you're ready to attach the basket. The basket does come in two halves, so you need to connect them with 4 screws first. Add the 4 brackets over top the tubing of the GearWarrior. Line up the holes on the bracket to the ones on the mounting plates. Next, add the hardware and tighten it down with the supplied Allen wrench. Repeat these steps for the remaining 3 brackets. With that, the GearWarrior is fully installed and set up. You can now begin using it with your EXO system. When you want to remove the GearWarrior, loosen the speed knobs and walk away with it thanks to Yakima's quick and easy EXO cleat system. A neat accessory called the EXO WarriorWheels can be purchased separately to turn the EXO GearWarrior into a cart, making transporting your gear from the vehicle a breeze. Thank you for checking out our video on the EXO GearWarrior cargo basket from Yakima. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.